We left our film camp before sunrise this morning and headed south towards Fourth Bridge, where we had heard that the Kakanika lions killed a hippopotamus yesterday. The carcass had almost completely been consumed. The two males were busy feeding on the main part of the carcass, and the remainder of the pride had managed to secure themselves two of the legs. There were many vultures in the area who were hanging around the periphery of the pride, waiting for their opportunity to get a meal. The hippo was a juvenile, but it was big enough to definitely feed the entire pride and make sure that all their bellies were full. As the amount of meat left on the bones became less and less, the lions did start to scuffle with each other over the scraps that were left. Eventually one female managed to secure a large portion of a leg and proceeded to carry it off into some thicker bush where she could eat it at her leisure. It took about another half an hour for the remainder of the carcass to be consumed by the lions. Now that they had had their fill, the entire pride slowly moved off into the thicker bush, where they presumably found themselves a nice shady spot to lie in, where they could digest their meal for the rest of the day. It was very rewarding to see the entire pride together again. They've been quite dispersed over the last couple of weeks. It was also good to see that they had made a successful kill. As soon as the lions moved off, the vultures moved in and took their opportunity to get their share of this carcass.